Mad Rabbit, India's finest audio wearable brand, starting at 999.
And I feel I relate a lot to that character because a lot of parts of me are similar to my on-screen character for the film. And we were sweating, and he was in this prosthetic, which is like 4 hours of prosthetic, thick. Apo, and I asked him, I said, how are you doing this, right? And he said, in such a this thing, it's difficult, but it's fun. Like, it's okay. And these moments just remind you of why you became an actor, how you can never be arrogant, how you have to love your work. I feel nobody can be an actor just because you want to be famous. You have to be passionate because there are no timings, there is no, there is a lot of hard work, there's no shortcut. And it was just so satisfying to see that, after 75, 80 years in film, he still puts in that 2000% of hard work every day. And I would also love to do something as basic with no makeup.
Okay,
like just
raw.
nothing, raw.
Okay.
Sometimes people don't see you like that, but I'd love to go raw on camera. Like
Okay.
imagine like a Tamil village, like small girl. Okay. I would love to do that. Cinema is my life. Like Rakul breathes, lives, dreams cinema. I don't know. I don't know anything else besides that. And there are very few films in the history of Indian cinema that are remembered like that. There's Agnipath, there is Indian, there is Appu Raja. You remember these names.
Indian is back.
Come back, India.
ஸோ ட்ரெய்லர் எல்லாமே பார்த்தோம். ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்தீங்க அண்ட் ஒரு பெரிய படத்துல உங்களை பாக்குறது வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் ஐ வுட் லைக் டு ஆஸ்க், எப்படி இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்துச்சு இந்தியன்?
I had got a call from Shankar sir's office. A call வந்து Shankar sir meet பண்ணுவதும் and for Indian. So obviously எனக்கு Indian, I knew about Indian, right? And I'd watched it. So I was like, okay, this is amazing. This sounds amazing. And I just knew I was doing it. Okay. I did not even want to ask the questions. What is my role? How long is the role? What is it? I was like, Shankar sir, Kamal sir, Indian 2, such a legendary film. Like whatever Shankar sir is offering, I'm sure he'll be offering a good role. Of course, I came and met him and then we signed the film. And I was very happy to be sharing space with them.
எஸ், ஒரு பெரிய ஸ்டார் காஸ்ட் இருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்றப்போ there will be a lot of learning experience from them. நிறைய படங்கள் நீங்க பண்ணியிருந்தாலுமே this experience would have been very different for you, இல்லையா?
It's just a very gratifying experience. I feel, that you work with someone like I have been a fan of Kamal sir since my childhood, right? I've watched Chachi 420 like 50 times.
Wow.
And Appu Raja and all these films, right? So I was like, to just, when you are not from the industry, you think you want to be an actor, then you get an opportunity eventually to work with someone who you've always admired and to share screen space with them, right? And of stature of Kamal sir. So I think for me that was very gratifying. And of course I was a huge fan of Shankar sir from Jeans. Because Aishwarya for me was like wow in
for
that
all
film.
of us in fact.
Yeah, but in that like for me I took notice of her in that film. It was what, 94? Jeans came in 94.
Yeah.
I was 3-4 years old, right? So for me it was like, oh wow. So ever since then I've been following his cinema. And so for me it was just like the universe has made it happen and I have to do the film.
Can you say something about your role? What kind of a character it is?
So my character is a very headstrong girl. She's very opinionated, driven. She's not someone who's she's an alpha girl.
Okay.
She's somebody who will say what is right and say what is wrong. And I feel I relate a lot to that character because a lot of parts of me are similar to my on-screen character for the film.
So Kamal sir kodalam, did you have combination sequences? Yes. Okay.
My first day of shoot was actually, I think, first schedule. I had a couple of combination and I remember my first day of shoot with Kamal sir. We were shooting in rumba hot arche appo June July Chennai la, and we were sweating and he was in this prosthetic which is like 4 hours of prosthetic, thick. And I asked him, I said, how are you doing this, right? And he said, in such a this thing, it's difficult, but it's fun. Like, it's okay. And these moments just remind you of why you became an actor, how you can never be arrogant, how you have to love your work. I feel nobody can be an actor just because you want to be famous. You have to be passionate because there are no timings, there is no, there is a lot of hard work, there's no shortcut. And it was just so satisfying to see that, after 75, 80 years in films, he still puts in that 2000% of hard work every day. It's insane. It's amazing.
So நீங்க பேசுறப்ப சொன்னீங்க it is not very fancy, so much of hard work and pain is there in this business அப்படிங்க.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So when you came to this industry, you would have had a perception about the cinema.
No, I was too young to have any perception.
Okay.
I just wanted to be an actor, and I knew that I am not from the industry, so I will have to work extra hard. So I was prepared to work extra hard.
Okay, so you have no cinema background in your family.
Not my dad's from the Indian Army.
Oh my
Nothing.
God.
Yeah.
Okay, so your journey is like a self-built one, right?
Absolutely, and not an easy self-built. It's not like my first film was a blockbuster and oh wow, I had to work my way up. My first film Venkatadri Express became a big hit, but it was a small film, and then I had to do a step up. And I'm so grateful that it was like that because it didn't let me get overconfident. It just kept me grounded, and it just gave me so much more exposure and so much more experience. And I can very proudly say that everything, good or bad, is my journey.
So even though this is a bigger film, everybody wants to be a part of it. ஒரு சின்ன தயக்கம் ஒன்று இருக்கும். There are a lot of stars. So screen space அப்படின்றது எப்படி இருக்கும்?
See, I've never bothered about screen space. If you look at that poster, there is Kamal sir, then there is Siddharth and me. Yeah. Right? In the center.
Yeah.
That says a lot. Right? There is more than this I cannot tell right now about the film. But screen space is never a problem for me because I feel that it is the impact of your role as opposed to the length of your role. Okay. If you're standing behind in a scene throughout the film and not doing anything, just reacting, that is of no sense. As opposed to you having an impactful role. And I feel everybody on the poster that you see has a very impactful role in their capacity.
And அதே மாதிரி இப்போ தமிழ் சினிமால we give you a lot of love. என்ன படம் நீங்க பண்ணாலும்
I really want to do more Tamil films.
Yes, please.
I really want to. It's just that the last few years have been very busy in Hindi. But of course, there was Ayalan and Indian 2 this year. But I really hope that I sign something new in Tamil. I've just been away from Telugu and Tamil for the last 2-3 years. But I really hope that I get a nice, I think like something like Dhiran, because it's still my most favorite film in my biography, one of my most favorite films. So I would love to do something completely heartland in Tamil.
So what kind of a role do you really want to do in your entire, like இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு character in life நான் பண்ணணும், I'm just waiting for this kind of role அப்படின்னா what will it be?
I want to do a biopic.
Okay.
I want to do I definitely want to do like a historical or like a one of those big sets, big jewelry sort of a film, like that kind of film, like Bansali, Padmavat kind. So mythology, history, like some historical film. I would also love to do a love story. Lovely. Like I like heart-wrenching love story, And I would also love to do something as basic with no makeup.
Okay,
like just raw. Nothing, raw.
Okay.
Sometimes people don't see you like that, but I'd love to go raw on camera.
Wow, I love the confidence that you've got. I mean, who would want to do that? I don't know. But
but I mean, we are actors. I think as actors, it's our job to be able to do different roles. If I have to play myself, what's the point?
Very true. And தமிழ்ல வந்து இப்போ நிறைய opportunities வருதா உங்களுக்கு? What kind of roles are they approaching you for?
See, what happens now in film industry, Tamil or Telugu or anywhere, right? What happens is how your last 2 films are, people think that is what the kind of roles you should do. Actually, it's the opposite. And that's happened with me many a times. If very hot in 2 films means rumba hot article, let's cast her in that hot sort of roles, like city girl. And before that, in all my Telugu films, it was bubbly, and then we're like, oh, let's cast her in everything bubbly. And I'm like, no, as an actor, you should be able to break boundaries and be very different from one role to the other. And which is why I'm enjoying that space where in Hindi, whatever films I had, whether it was a Runway 34 or a Dr. G or a De De Pyar De, they were all different absolutely different roles, and the ones that I'm shooting right now. And I hope that people see that and give me different scripts here. Like I would love to do a different script. Like
Okay.
imagine like a Tamil village, like small girl.
Okay.
You know, I would love to do that.
It will be an interesting one, I believe, because உங்களை இப்படி பார்த்துட்டு அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஜான்ரல பார்க்கிறதுக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கும் எங்களுக்கு. Yes. So if Rakul Preet Singh had not come to cinema, என்ன சூஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? What would be your alternate?
No, cinema is my life. Like Rakul breathes, lives, dreams cinema. I don't know. I don't know anything else besides that. Of course, I do a lot of other things, but that's not my core work.
Okay.
My love is films.
So where do you see yourself in the next 10 years maybe?
Hopefully having done another set of films, hopefully having done all the films that I told you that I want to do, the biopic, the historical, the, you know, love story. Yeah.
Okay.
And hopefully having made a space for myself where I'm known as an actor, regardless of the phase that I'm in my life. Like for example, to make it better, like Tabu ma'am
Okay.
is still doing the best roles.
Yes.
And people are writing roles for her. You know, or even Jyotika ma'am now. You know, so I feel like I want to transition eventually, 10 years from now, be in that space where, because I also know I won't be heroine after 10 years, right? Like it's not like you're going to be dancing around the trees. I can still pull that for a few more years though, but not 10 years from now maybe. So I want to have that switch hopefully very smooth, where I start seeding myself as an actor, because regardless of age there can be roles written of wherever phase you are in.
Okay, I can see a great clarity in your thinking, and it's very nice to stay grounded to the reality also, because 10 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் நான் ஹீரோயினா பண்ண முடியுமான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. Maybe I can pull it off that time also, but அப்படி இல்லனா கூட I would do prominent.
And I think that cinema is also evolving.
Yeah.
You know, it is not now, you see, if anybody 10 years back, the kind of films we like to watch, we don't like to watch a girl saw a boy with balloon and she started like smiling. You don't see that anymore, right? You want to see more realistic cinema. You want to see more edgy cinema. And I want to be able to adapt that as we go ahead, move ahead.
Do you remember your first shot? நிறைய takes எடுத்த ஏதாவது விஷயம் இருக்கா இதுல?
Nariya takes and all, because Shankar Sir's he gives so much clarity about what he wants, that there is never a situation where you don't understand, and you know, Nariya takes arukku and the madri
There's no space for it.
ellame illa.
Okay. First shot ஞாபகம் இருக்கா இந்த படத்துல?
First shot வந்து I think it was a cafeteria shot between me and Siddharth.
Okay.
Now, Ippo, what is that? I can't tell you. That you watch on 12th of July.
I know. But yeah, so பார்க்கறப்பவே நல்லா இருக்கு. As I said, ஒரு பெரிய பேனர்ல நிறைய ஸ்டார்ஸ் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்றப்போ it's one huge thing.
Thank you.
And one reason from your end, why should we watch Indian 2?
Well, you know, I'll say something, that there are very few films that after 28 years of Indian 2 is coming, and still people remember Indian.
Yeah.
And there are very few films in the history of Indian cinema that are remembered like that. There's Agnipath. There is Indian. There is Appu Raja. You know, like you remember these names. And to be a sequel to that for today's generation, I feel we have something new to offer. And I feel just for that, people should watch. Because this will also possibly become a legacy for the next, 50 years to come.
Yeah, so it was very nice talking to you about
Likewise,
the film
thank
and
you.
your personal also.
Thank you
so much.
Thank
and
you.
all the very
Pleasure.
best.
Mad Rapid, India's finest audio wearable brand, starting at 999.